Hi printmakers, this is the first video for step 1 of the Adobe Illustrator project, which you will be doing largely on your own. The first step is very simple and it will take place this weekend. All of the due dates for this project are on Mondays, and so I'll expect that you have step 1 done on Monday. So let's get into this specific step. You will want to gather images after watching this demo video right here that I'm making, that you're listening to. And a lot of you already have a batch of images, so this should be very easy. You want to first consider your aesthetic, which you should have very concretely defined by now. And then also remind yourself of the concept that you plan to work on, that you're currently working on with your silkscreen monotype. That was what you did the mind map on in your journal. So refresh yourself on that. And then the objective before Monday is actually nothing to do with Adobe Illustrator yet, because clearly we were struggling to get that installed on Thursday. It's going to be to have an image or images prepared that you could possibly work with. And I know that's a little challenging when you don't necessarily know what the product is going to entail. I'm going to be updating videos on the other slides so you can preview and look ahead to see what exactly you'll be doing. But having a set of images is helpful. You can use Google, you can use your own pictures, or you can take pictures and stage them up, or you can collage and combine images for this process. In the meantime, before I have the other 2 videos uploaded, you could go back and review what it is that we are doing in terms of look. The look is going to be something like this middle image here, and then we're evolving to what's ultimately going to end up being a 1-color silk screen print after Thanksgiving break. So you're going to be working in a much more graphic way. The idea is to step back in terms of color. So we've been able to use a lot of colors and tones in the silkscreen monotype, just like the ones you're seeing from last year. But when we get into Illustrator, I want you to start limiting your palette. And so you probably want to keep that in mind as you choose your image. These are all very pattern related, but in the demo video that you'll see on slides 2 and 3, you'll see that you don't necessarily have to create a pattern. Your end result might be something graphic like this. And so for now, this weekend, watch this video, look at the slideshow, and have a couple of images that you might like to use.